Imagine typing a simple phrase like a beautiful fantasy landscape into an AI art generator. The result? A generic, uninspired image that feels like 1,000 others. Now, picture entering a detailed cinematic prompt and watching the AI create something breathtaking and unique. The difference is night and day. In this video, we'll uncover why the real value isn't in the AI tool itself, but in the words you use the prompt. This invisible skill, known as prompt engineering, is the secret sauce behind stunning AI creations and a new wave of digital entrepreneurship. Let's start with a common mistake: using a vague prompt. When you ask an AI for a beautiful fantasy landscape, you'll likely get an image that's bland and forgettable. It lacks personality, detail, and the wow factor needed to stand out. This is the frustration many face when first exploring AI art tools. They expect magic, but get mediocrity. The problem isn't the AI, it's the input. Most people don't realize that the real power lies in how you communicate with the AI. That's where prompt engineering comes in. Now, let's see what happens when you use an expertly crafted prompt. Instead of something generic, you enter a cinematic isometric fantasy valley at golden hour, highly detailed moss, Unreal Engine render, rule of thirds, volumetric lighting, by Greg Rutkowski, R16:9. Instantly, the AI produces a stunning, professional-grade image. The difference is striking. This is the magic of prompt engineering, knowing exactly what to ask for and how to guide the AI's creativity. It's not about the tool, it's about the words you use. Here's the secret. The real skill isn't knowing how to use the AI tool, but mastering the art of prompt engineering. This invisible skill is what separates amateurs from professionals. By learning how to craft prompts that consistently deliver high-quality results, you unlock a valuable, repeatable skill. And the best part? This skill is in high demand. Businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs are all looking for ways to get better results from AI, and they're willing to pay for it. What if you could turn your mastery of words into a scalable digital business? That's exactly what prompt engineering allows. In this video, I'll show you how to package your skills, where to sell your prompts, and which niches are booming right now. Whether you're a creative, a marketer, or a tech enthusiast, there's a place for you in this new economy. Let's dive into the details and see how you can start earning from your expertise today. Here's a key insight. You're not selling the AI-generated image itself, you're selling the highly refined string of text, the prompt that consistently produces professional results. Think of it like selling a recipe, not the finished dish. Buyers want speed, consistency, and quality. They don't want to spend hours experimenting with keywords, aspect ratios, or art styles. They're buying the outcome, a shortcut to stunning results, every time. Why do people buy prompts? It's simple. They want professional quality without the hassle. Most users don't have the time or expertise to test endless combinations of keywords and settings. They want a proven formula that delivers great results, fast. By offering expertly crafted prompts, you're solving a real pain point and saving your customers hours of frustration. That's real value, and it's why prompt engineering is a skill worth selling. A high-value prompt isn't just a string of words, it's a carefully engineered formula. The best prompts are outcome-driven, audience-specific, and packed with detail. They include a clear subject or action, a distinctive aesthetic or style, and precise technical details. Each component works together to guide the AI toward a specific professional result. Let's break down what makes a prompt truly profitable. The first step in crafting a great prompt is defining the subject and action. What is the main focus of the image? And what is it doing? For example, you might specify a lone astronaut exploring an alien landscape or a whimsical character riding a bicycle. The more specific you are, the better the AI can interpret your vision. This clarity sets the foundation for a successful prompt. Next, choose the aesthetic or style. This is where you add artistic influence and personality. Do you want an oil painting, a cyberpunk vibe, or a flat vector illustration? The style you select is often the most valuable part of the prompt, as it shapes the entire mood and feel of the image. Don't be afraid to get specific mention artists, genres, or even camera techniques to guide the AI. Technical details are the engineering behind a great prompt. Think about camera angles, lighting, resolution, and composition. For example, you might specify macro lens, volumetric light, 8K resolution, cinematic lighting, rule of thirds, sharp focus. These details help the AI understand exactly what you want, resulting in images that look polished and professional. Different AI platforms have their own unique commands and modifiers. For example, in Midjourney, you might use AR 16:9 for aspect ratio or 2 for weighting. These platform-specific tweaks help you fine-tune the output and get exactly what you want. Learning these modifiers is essential for prompt engineers who want to deliver consistent, high-quality results across different tools. One of the most powerful tools in prompt engineering is the negative prompt. This tells the AI what to avoid, like blurry images, bad anatomy, or watermarks. By specifying what you don't want, you help the AI steer clear of common mistakes and deliver cleaner, more professional results. Negative prompts are crucial for anyone selling prompts as a product. Let's revisit our earlier examples. The vague prompt, a beautiful fantasy landscape, produced a generic image. But the detailed prompt, a cinematic isometric fantasy valley at golden hour, highly detailed moss, Unreal Engine render, rule of thirds, volumetric lighting by Greg Rutkowski, R 16:9, resulted in a stunning, professional piece. Notice how each component, subject, style, technical details, and modifiers work together to transform the outcome. General prompts rarely sell. The real money is in specialized high-demand solutions. Focus on audiences with specific needs and budgets. For example, Etsy sellers want prompts for t-shirt designs or seamless patterns. Small businesses need logo, mock-ups, or professional headshots. Game developers look for character sprites or fantasy environments. By targeting these niches, you can create prompts that people are eager to buy. Etsy is a goldmine for prompt engineers. Sellers need prompts for t-shirt designs, seamless fabric patterns, and digital planner templates. These buyers want unique, eye-catching images they can use for print-on-demand products. By creating prompts tailored to these needs, you tap into a huge market of creative entrepreneurs looking for a competitive edge. Small businesses and startups are always looking for ways to stand out. They need prompts for logo mockups, product packaging, and professional headshots for platforms like LinkedIn. For example, a prompt like corporate headshot, shallow depth of field, minimalist studio background, 50mm lens delivers exactly what they need. By offering these specialized prompts, you provide real value to business owners. Game developers and concept artists need prompts for UI icons, character sprites, and fantasy world environments. For instance, a prompt like steampunk airship concept art, low-angle, matte painting, hyper-detailed, helps artists quickly generate unique assets. By focusing on this niche, you can create high-value prompts that save time and fuel creativity in the gaming industry. Digital marketers are always on the lookout for prompts that generate eye-catching visuals for social media banners, YouTube thumbnails, and ad creatives. A well-crafted prompt can help them create scroll-stopping images that boost engagement and drive results. By understanding the needs of digital marketers, you can design prompts that help them achieve their goals faster and more effectively. Ready to start selling? There are two main avenues: dedicated prompt marketplaces and digital product stores. Each has its pros and cons. Marketplaces like PromptBase and PromptC offer a fast start and immediate audience, but take a cut of your sales. Digital product stores like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website offer higher profit margins and better branding, but require more effort to build traffic. Let's explore each option in detail. Dedicated marketplaces like PromptBase and PromptC are designed specifically for selling prompts. You list your prompt, and buyers pay a fee to download it. The platform takes a small cut, but you get access to an audience that's already looking for high-quality prompts. This is the fastest way to start selling and get feedback on your work. If you want more control and higher profits, consider selling prompts through digital product stores like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Here, you can bundle prompts into themed collections like the Ultimate 50-pack of watercolor character prompts and sell them as digital downloads. This approach gives you better branding and the potential for recurring sales. Another profitable avenue is offering prompt engineering as a freelance service. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to sell custom prompt packages tailored to a client's specific needs. For example, you might offer 10 custom prompts for your brand's unique style. This high-ticket work is perfect for those who enjoy working directly with clients and solving unique challenges. Etsy stands out because of its massive traffic for digital downloads. By packaging your prompts as themed collections, you can attract buyers searching for creative solutions. Use eye-catching mock-ups to showcase the results your prompts can deliver. Remember, the image is the sales pitch, the prompt is the product. To maximize sales, package your prompts with eye-catching mock-ups. Use tools like Canva or mock-up generators to display the AI-generated image on products like t-shirts, framed prints, or websites. The prompt itself remains invisible, but the image shows buyers exactly what they can achieve. This visual approach is key to converting browsers into buyers. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for getting your prompts discovered. On platforms like Etsy or PromptBase, use keywords in your title and description that match what buyers are searching for. For example, Mid-Journey t-shirt design prompt or DALL-E logo mockup prompt. The right keywords help your products show up in search results and attract more buyers. When starting out, price your prompts affordably, typically $1.99 to $4.99 per prompt, or $15 to $30 for a bundle. As you gain reviews and prove your consistency, you can gradually raise your prices. The key is to deliver value and build trust with your buyers. Over time, your reputation will allow you to command higher rates. Before you start selling, make sure you understand licensing and intellectual property. To use AI-generated images commercially, you and your buyers must be on the appropriate paid tier of the AI tool. This ensures you have the rights to use and sell the images. Remember, the prompt text itself is your intellectual property. Selling it is like selling a recipe. It's a digital product with nearly zero reproduction cost and high profit margins. Prompt engineering isn't about being an artist, it's about being an AI translator. You bridge the gap between human creativity and machine output. By mastering this skill, you solve a real pain point for creators and businesses, and you create a true passive income product. The demand for high-quality prompts is only growing, and now is the perfect time to get started. You've learned the fundamentals of prompt engineering, from crafting high-value prompts to packaging and selling them online. Now it's your turn. Choose a niche Etsy, small business, or concept art and start building your prompt portfolio. With the right approach, you can turn your words into a profitable digital product business. The world of AI creativity is waiting for you to make your mark.